happy to see you again. Which way do you want to go? Forward, Lee. The tunnel is nearby. Left leads to the haunted castle's coming up. Oh, the castle gate's closed. Can you open it? Great! A spider web! Spooky. Tap to break it. Good. The troublesome trucks are playing hide and seek again. Let's see if we can find all three. We can't get through. Tap on the gate to open it. Great! Super! A spider web! Spooky. Tap to break it. Here it is! Tap, tap. We can't get through. Tap on the gate to open it. Well done! Tap, tap, that's the way! We can't get through! Tap on the gate to... Super! Tap, tap. That's perfect. That was super cool. That was off the rails. Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Just slice or tap it to open. I love that! What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon to one of the blue... Excellent! Choose your engine. Lights out. Which way do you want to go? McCall's farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back. Great! Whoa! Thanks for helping out. Choose a new toy. Let's go find that toy. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the track. Great! That was amazing!